If you're seeing the error, DiskPart has encountered an error, the request could not be performed because of an input-output device error. It usually means there's a problem with your USB or external drive. This can be caused by a loose or faulty connection, a corrupted drive, or even a hardware issue. So, without any further delay, let's start fixing it. First, try unplugging your USB or external drive and connect it to a different USB port on your PC. Sometimes it's just a simple connection issue, and switching the port can resolve the issue. If changing the USB port didn't fix the issue and you're still seeing the same error, then the next step is to use Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator. When Command Prompt open, type DiskPart and press Enter. Once you're inside the DiskPart utility, type list disk and press Enter. This will show all the drives connected to your system, including your internal drive and any external drives like a USB. In my case, I only have one internal hard drive, so disk 0 is my internal drive and disk 1 is my USB. Now select your USB drive by typing select disk 1 and pressing Enter. After selecting the disk, type attributes disk and press Enter. This command will display the disk attributes. In my case, the current read-only state is set to no, and read-only is also no. If you see yes for both, then you need to remove the read-only restriction by typing this command, attributes disk, clear read-only, and then press Enter. After running this command, the read-only attributes should be cleared. Next, type command clean and press Enter. This will erase all data on the drive and clean it. And if you open File Explorer at this point, you'll notice that the drive is no longer visible because it has no partition. Now we'll create a new partition for the USB drive. Type create partition primary and press Enter. This will create a new partition. After that, select the partition. Usually it will be partition 1 by typing select partition 1 and pressing Enter. Once the partition is selected, you can format it in NTFS using the this command. Alright, once the formatting is complete, open File Explorer again. You should now see your USB drive showing up. I hope this will solve your issue, but if it's still not visible in your case, it usually means the drive doesn't have a drive letter assigned, so it won't show up in File Explorer. Don't worry, we can easily assign a drive letter manually. Go back to Command Prompt and type assign letter and assign any letter. Then press Enter. This will assign a drive letter to your USB and it should now appear in File Explorer. And that's it. That's how you can fix the input-output error on your USB or external drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.